Welcome to episode 9. Today, we'll learn useful English for checking into a hotel and talking with the receptionist. When you arrive at a hotel, you usually speak with the receptionist first and tell them you have a reservation.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. How may I help you today? Do you have a reservation with us?
Khan? Yes, I have a reservation. My name is Ali Khan, and I booked a room for 3 nights.
Thank you, Mr. Ali. I found your reservation. Could you please tell me which type of room you booked?
I booked a double room with breakfast included. I would also like a quiet room, if one is available.
Your room is available, and breakfast is served from 7 to 10 each morning. Is there anything else you need?
Thank you. Could you also tell me if the hotel has free Wi-Fi? I need to stay connected during my visit.
Yes, the hotel provides free Wi-Fi for all guests. You can get the password at the reception desk when you check in.
Thank you for explaining. Could you also tell me if the hotel offers room service? I'd like to order dinner later.
Certainly. Room service is available throughout the evening. You can contact reception and they will help you place your food order.
That sounds helpful. Could you also tell me whether the hotel has a swimming pool? I'd like to use it during my stay.
Yes, the hotel has a swimming pool for guests. It is open during the day and clean towels are available nearby.
Everything sounds great. Could you please tell me what time we need to check out when our stay is finished?
Checkout is at noon. Before you leave, please return your room key to reception and make sure you have all your belongings.
Thank you for explaining everything. If my travel plans change, could I request a later checkout from the hotel?
A late checkout may be possible, depending on availability. It's best to ask reception early so they can arrange it for you.
One more question, please. Can the hotel keep my luggage safely if I arrive early or leave before my room is ready?
Yes, certainly. You can leave your luggage safely at reception before check-in or after checkout, and collect it whenever you're ready.
Thank you for helping me with everything. When I am ready to leave, could the hotel arrange a taxi to the airport for me?
Of course. Just contact reception before you leave and they can arrange a taxi to the airport at a convenient time.
Excellent conversation. Ali, can you tell us some useful English phrases you could use when checking into a hotel?
I learned how to ask about reservations, Wi-Fi, room service, checkout time, luggage storage, and transportation to the airport.
Wonderful work today. Keep practicing these hotel conversations and you'll feel more confident speaking English in real-life situations. See you next time!